attended PowerPoint Insight presentation, which was really helpful for me, as we also know how to use PowerPoint, but now it has been a little while, so we have gone through it again, and it has been very helpful. Like going throughout the brushing up to through the basic and then going up to the advanced. So it was really helpful.
Hi, my name is Jigar Paleja. I work for India First Life Insurance Company. I have taken this course from Welingkar under batch July 21. Today's session, which was about the PowerPoint presentations and insights, it was really great to be a part of this session today, because it was a refresher to the basics, and it also gave a lot of insights towards the a little expert level presentations. And yeah, I learned a lot of shortcuts. Our mentor today, Mr. Abdul, was really great in keeping this session interactive. I'm sure this gonna help me a lot in my day-to-day routine job.